For some, a machine is just metal and wire. For her, it's the only thing standing between survival and despair. But today, that lifeline has failed, consumed by the unforgiving earth. What you're about to witness is a testament to the raw power of human will. With focused determination, she begins the painstaking work. In this remote land, help is not coming. She must rely only on her own ingenuity. Every tool is simple, every movement precise. Against the weight of the machine, she pits her own strength. A small victory, a moment of triumph as the wheel is finally set. Freedom. The car, caked in the memory of its struggle, moves once more. The journey continues down a lonely path. A river, her only witness. But the ordeal has taken its toll, a moment of weary respite. Each stop is a reminder of the fragility of her quest. Now begins the transformative process of restoration. Beneath the layers of mud, the vehicle's true form is unveiled. The cleansing is meticulous, washing away the evidence of hardship. She restores order to the chaos, reclaiming the machine from the dirt. A quiet moment of pride. The car is not just clean, it is reborn. But the battle is not over. The exterior was only the beginning. Now, she delves into the heart of the machine. The aging engine. A careful inspection, searching for the hidden wounds left by time and toil. In a cluttered workshop, a critical component is prepared for replacement. The engine's lungs are clogged, starved for air. With a gentle hand, she meticulously clears away years of grime. Next, attention turns to the electrical pulse of the vehicle. The battery, the car's eyes, clouded and dim, await her healing touch. A delicate operation begins to dismantle the headlight assembly. With surgical precision, she severs a corroded connection. A new bond is forged, ensuring a steady flow of power. The headlight is carefully returned to its housing, its purpose renewed. A final check. The connections are secure, the circuit complete. She moves deeper into the engine's core, examining another vital part. Every component is inspected with unwavering focus. The work extends into the cabin, a hidden network of wires exposed, a tiny connector, yet crucial to the car's complex systems. Once more, she returns to the battery, the source of life. A final, sweeping survey of her work. The engine is whole again. The front of the car, once a mask of neglect, now shows signs of revival. A moment of quiet satisfaction. She has conquered the machine, but her journey reveals a deeper challenge, a foundation of rust and decay, the familiar struggle with a stubborn wheel, a routine she knows too well, a moment of contemplation from within the tired vehicle, preparing for the next phase, tending to the car's thirst. She replenishes its fluids, a vital act of care, a makeshift solution to an underlying problem. And then, an astonishing new chapter unfolds. A challenge of a different scale. This colossal truck, a skeleton of its former self, lies in ruin. She brings her skills to this new titan, her resolve unshaken. Now, she is not alone. A partner joins the monumental task. Together, they apply their combined force against the immense wheel. Their movements are synchronized, a dance of mechanical restoration. A team forged in grease and determination, working as one. The old wheel is gone. The truck is lowered, ready for its renewal. The careful process of fitting the new heavy wheel begins. Precision is key. As they guide the massive object into place, each bolt represents a step towards revival. Their shared focus is unbreakable as they secure the foundation. The final adjustments are made with care and expertise. The work is done. A small part of the giant is made whole again. The camera reveals the depth of the decay, a wheel hub eaten by rust. On the dry, cracked earth, she begins the arduous task of disassembly. Two minds, two sets of hands, working in unison against the stubborn metal. With coordinated effort, they separate the heavy axle from the hub. The liberated hub is carefully placed, ready for its transformation. A closer look at the heart of the wheel, scarred but full of potential. Barefoot and determined, she prepares the truck's undercarriage. Even the smallest components require their focused, combined effort. A grinder comes to life, beginning the violent but necessary process of purification. Sparks fly, a brilliant display of force, erasing the ravages of time. From the ashes of rust, a vibrant new identity emerges, painted in bold yellow. Every piece is meticulously cleaned, preparing it for a new life. The revitalized hub stands as a beacon of progress, a symbol of rebirth. Now, the essential act of lubrication, ensuring smooth future journeys. Rich, dark grease is applied, a protective balm for the restored metal. The entire rear axle is raised, exposing the core of the machine for this deep repair. Reassembly begins. He holds the weight while she secures the connection. She wipes away the excess. A final touch on the newly placed axle. The powerful impact driver signals the final stages of reassembly. With speed and efficiency, she tightens the bolts, bringing the project toward completion. The story continues. Her focus unwavering as she tackles another rusted wheel. Together, they carefully extract the delicate bearing from its housing. She ventures beneath the massive vehicle, working on its hidden suspension. Meanwhile, he applies his skill to another of the truck's enormous wheels. She examines the salvage part, assessing the damage and planning her next move. The truck's bare axle, a skeleton awaiting the reunion of its parts. Their seamless teamwork continues under the belly of the beast. Attention shifts to the truck's electrical heart, the battery terminals. As a child looks on, they work to restore the flow of power. The focus returns to the mechanics, another component needing attention. She retrieves a box, a promise of new parts for the old machine, searching for the exact piece needed for the next step of the puzzle. They meticulously prepare and lubricate a crucial wheel component. Old parts are bathed and cleaned, ready to be given new purpose. With a long lever, they apply the necessary torque to secure the assembly. a stark reminder of the enemy they fight: pervasive, corrosive rust. She guides the heavy wheel back onto its newly refurbished hub. The aged tire, a stark contrast to the restored mechanics within. The work is nearly done. Tools are gathered. The site cleared. A final inspection. A shared look of accomplishment and exhaustion. Underneath the hulking frame, their intricate work continues. Hands, gloved and stained, apply a thick layer of protective grease. Their partnership is fluid, each anticipating the other's next move. A hammer blow, delivered with precision, seats apart deep within the chassis. He focuses on the fine details of a smaller, yet vital, component. They handle a heavy, yellow canister, preparing another fluid for the machine. Against a backdrop of distant mountains, their tireless work unfolds. She sits among the machinery, completely immersed in the complex task. Her concentration is absolute as she works on the delicate inner workings. Now standing, she guides a heavy component onto the waiting axle. Kneeling, she secures the newly placed part, her movements steady and sure. His hands tighten the last bolts, a final act of securing their work. She continues her patient labor, lost in the rhythm of repair. Each piece is treated with the same level of intense focus. The final heavy wheel is maneuvered back into its rightful place. The monumental task of reassembly nears its end, a testament to their synergy. He works alone now, guiding the immense tire with practiced ease. His focus is entirely on the alignment, ensuring a perfect fit. The last wheel is almost home, a symbol of their impending victory. Her work is not yet finished. Another tire must be moved. In a humble workshop, against the backdrop of an olive drab giant, their astonishing story concludes.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Constant Repair Counts for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.